How to create new Reddit account. So if you want to create a new Reddit account, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply search for Reddit, and then you can go for the first search, which is www.reddit.com. And now here you can go for a login, which is here on the upper right, and then here you can go for sign up. So to sign up or to register, what you can do is you can continue with your Google account, or you can continue with your Apple, or if you want to enter your email address, then you can enter your email address here. And after entering your email address, click on continue. And now here you have to enter your username, but Reddit will already give you the username. But if you don't like this, then you can simply change that. And after that username, now you can simply enter your password. Make sure to enter a strong password. And after creating your password, click on I'm not a robot, and then click on continue. So you can simply pick 3 or more things you'd like to see in your home feed, and then click on continue. And then you can add some communities, and then click on continue. Or you can style your avatar, or you can skip this part. So that's it. That's how you create your account on Reddit. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.